The 2021 Turkish wildfires were over 100 wildfires, mostly in the southern provinces of Turkey. The wildfires started in Manavgat, Antalya on the 28th of July 2021, with the temperature around 37 degrees Celsius. As of the 30th of July 2021, a total of 17 provinces, including Adana, Osmaniye, Mersin and Kayseri, were affected by simultaneous wildfires. In 2007, the IPCC Fourth Assessment Report said that warmer, drier conditions will lead to more frequent and prolonged droughts, as well as to a longer fire season and increased fire risk, particularly in the Mediterranean region. Wildfires in forest in Turkey are common in summer in the Mediterranean and Aegean regions. But May 2021 was the hottest May for over 50 years and followed a drought in Turkey, made more likely by climate change in Turkey. There were earlier fires in Kars, Tarsus and Marmaris on 26 and the 27th of June. And the maximum temperature for 60 years occurred in Cizre at over 49 degrees Celsius. Some previous forest fires have been blamed on arson. The fires followed other extreme weather around the world in 2021. 8 people died in the wildfires, some of them firefighters. 18 villages in Antalya and 16 villages in Adana and Mersin were evacuated. Most injuries were due to smoke inhalation. More than 4,000 tourists and staff in 2 hotels in Bodrum were evacuated by sea, by the Turkish Coast Guard, helped by private boats. Agriculture and Forestry Minister Bekir Pakdemirli said in July that 3 planes, 38 helicopters and about 4,000 firefighters had fought the fires. He said that more than 2,000 farm animals had died. Drones were also used, 485 water tenders, and 660 bulldozers. The Disaster and Emergency Management Authority winds helped spread the flames. Firefighting planes could only operate in daylight, and fallen trees blocked some road access. Minister of Environment and Urban Planning Murat Kurum said that over 100 damaged buildings would have to be demolished. Copernicus satellites measured the maximum daily heat intensity at about 20 gigawatts, 4 times the previous record. Bogazici University climatologist Levent Kurnaz said that the extremely hot and dry weather helped to start the fires. The president declared parts of 5 southern provinces disaster zones. Hikmat Öztürk, of the Turkish Foundation for Combating Soil Erosion, said that although they are almost all started by people, an effect of climate change on wildfires is to make their spread worse. The Turkish Aeronautical Association said that the 5,000-liter capacity limit for tenders for firefighting aircraft should have been lower so they could have bid. But the president said they should have updated their technology. Government loan repayments were postponed for the injured, and damage payments were made, and interest-free credit promised to small businesses. Public access to various forests was banned until autumn. Opposition Republican People's Party chairman Kemal Kılıçdaroğlu said that plains are essential, because almost all forest is on slopes which are too steep for ground firefighting vehicles. Other opposition parties also criticized the ministry. Selahattin Demirtas of the People's Democratic Party called the government incompetent, and Good Party leader Meral Akşener said she had warned the ministry about the lack of planes the previous year. Pakdemirli said the ministry would buy firefighting planes before the end of 2021. In August, the president toured the disaster area and said that reconstruction would begin within a month. Azerbaijan, Russia, Ukraine, Iran and the EU sent planes, including an amphibious plane. Azerbaijan also sent 53 fire trucks, many other emergency vehicles, and 500 firefighters to tackle the wildfires. Many other countries offered assistance. The state-run TRT World, among others, wrote about the possibility of the PKK being behind the fires. One piece called the PKK the prime suspect, because environmental destruction is one of the methods of vengeance used by the group. Children of Fire Initiative, believed to be an offshoot of the PKK although they claim to be independent, claimed responsibility for the fires. Children of Fire Initiative had also previously claimed responsibility for the 2020 Turkish Wildfires. As of August 2021, official investigation of the causes of the fires continues. Retired Navy Admiral Sihat Yeki, the mastermind behind the Blue Homeland idea, claimed the fires were not caused by accident or by any negligence. There is an intention here. The state is facing serious Greek PKK terror.